Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very important hiring update for 2027 batch students. So if you are currently pursuing a BCA, BSc or a BVoc, B vocation in the eligible disciplines, then this opportunity from TCS is something you should definitely check. So this is the TCS B.Sc Ignite and Smart Hiring batch of 2027. In this video, I will explain everything in a very simple way. Who is eligible, registration dates, eligible courses, percentage criteria, application process, exam pattern, test mode, and important points you should not miss. So let's get started. First, important registration dates. First, let's look at the most important dates. Registration starts on 2nd September 2026 and the registration dates ends on 9th October 2026. So students don't wait until the last date. One important point is that test is conducted in center and the test center seats are allotted on a first come first served basis. Okay. So if you have a preferred test city, it's better to register and apply early. Next, who can apply? Let's talk about the eligibility. This opportunity is especially for batch of 2027. Candidates must be pursuing an eligible full-time undergraduate degree. Okay. So eligible courses include BCA and BSc in IT, computer science, mathematics, data science, statistics, physics, chemistry, electronics, cybersecurity, biochemistry. So students from B vocation in computer science or information technology are also eligible. If course listed in these eligible disciplines and you belong to 2027 batch, you should check this opportunity. Third, percentage criteria. So you need minimum percentage 50 percentage or equivalent CGPA, and in requirement applies to class 10 and class 12, diploma if applicable, and graduation. So before applying, make sure your academic records meet this requirement. Fourth, how to apply. So step 1, go to TCS next portal, and according to your other information you need to fill the details. Make sure the information you provide is correct, because incorrect details may lead to disqualification. Step 3, now register and apply for TCS B.Sc Ignite Smart Hiring. If you are a new user, click on register now, select the categories as IT and complete your details, submit the application and apply for the drive. If you are, if you're applicable, also provide your internship and work experience details correctly. Test center selection. The test mode is in center as mentioned. Also seats are allocated on first come first basis, first served basis. Remember this thing. First come first served basis. So don't wait until the last moment if you have a preferred test city. Okay. How to confirm? Like you should track your application and you should check. You should see applied for drive, this message you should see. Make sure you check this, because simply registering on the portal is not enough. You should confirm that you have actually applied for the drive. Okay. Exam or assessment pattern. Assessment is duration 120 minutes, and which means 2 hours. 4 sections: numerical ability, verbal ability, reasoning ability, and the coding. Students preparing for this exam should practice all 3 mandatory areas and coding as well if they are comfortable with programming. Another very important in center test, candidates have to physically go to the selected test center and take the assessment. Must appear in person for the test. Communication related to the test will be shared by TCS Ion, which is the test provider for the process. Ninth one, you should remember, the opportunity is for 27 batch. Starts at 2nd September and ends at 9th October. Last date is 9th October. 50% aggregate. Your qualification should be there. Test is in center. Once the test center is selected, you cannot change it. Okay. After applying, check the track your application. You must see the applied for the drive. How to prepare? Start with these main sections: numerical ability, verbal ability, and the reasoning ability. Okay. Coding section is the optional one. You can, if you are confident, you can apply and attempt the coding as well. So this is the quick summary. So that's the complete information about the TCS B.Sc Ignite Smart Hiring. If you are eligible, don't forget to check all your academic details carefully. If this information was useful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your BCA, BSc, BVoc friends from the 2027 batch. So all the best for your preparation, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you all. Thanks for watching.